Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Now today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. And as you can see, my room is a bit of a disaster. I have things that are out of place on the shelves. I've got things that need to be thrown away. I just got work to do in here. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I've been putting it off and putting it off. And the reason it got in this shape is because I had a house full for about 5 months. I had family here. And so I was spending a lot more time in my room and storing things in my room that I would normally put in different places. Anyway, no more excuses. They're gone now and it's time to get my life together. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I'm getting rid of these books. I have Restoration Hardware books everywhere. I have them in the living room. I have them in the bedroom. I love that store. And every time I go in there, I pick up catalogs and I actually do go through them. But once I'm done, I need to find a way to discard them. I don't need them to be in this house like this. But anyway, I digress. So just getting all the junk out, decluttering everything. This has definitely been making me extremely uncomfortable. I'm not accustomed to having things out of place like this, but yeah, time to get rid of it so that I can move on with life. It's become a bit overwhelming, but anyway and anyhow. So I'm just doing the decluttering process right now. I'm going to stop talking and let you just watch as I work. And I'm going to tell you now, this took me all day to get this room together. That's how bad it was. Dusty. Oh my God. All right. I'm going to stop talking.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you.
Look, I have my blood pressure monitor out in sight because I needed it regularly with the grandkids here. And then all my essential oils. I have about 15-20 bottles of essential oils. It's absolutely ridiculous. But I do use them. I love essential oils. I always have a diffuser going with them. I absolutely love them.
Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Lately my thoughts got me distant, darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing, a memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning and waking, me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. More day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. Can't go, no, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go, one more, one more, one more, one more, one more day.
One of the many projects I've been working on recently is painting my interior doors black. It is an entire vibe. I don't know why I didn't think of doing this sooner. I love it.
Without you, no, I can't go one more day.
I realized too late that I was actually rubbing the color off of the dresser in that one spot. Oops. I'm going to just run to Lowe's and pick up some touch-up paint and just fill that in. It'll be fine. Now I'm using the Vitruvi diffuser, which I really like. It's like a clay diffuser or stone diffuser, I guess it is. And I'm diffusing lavender and eucalyptus oils, my favorites.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication.
It's starting to get late outside now, not because I've been working all day, but because I've been sitting down and just didn't get this done. But now I'm getting it done before I'm going to bed. So I'm just going to close these curtains up here and keep working.
Tell me where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to.
I'm so happy to see my shelves dust free and free of anything that is not supposed to be there. That was truly starting to give me anxiety. I cannot stand clutter.
11 and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
And I have my perfumes and everything displayed here with my little DIY Lazy Susan that I made a couple years ago. I actually did a video on it, and I'll link it below if I can find it. But it's basically just a mirror from Hobby Lobby, a cake pan from the Dollar Tree, and some marbles from the Dollar Tree. That's all it was, and I have been using this thing ever since. I love it. Now it's time to get this bed made up, because it is literally bedtime now for me, and I'm tired. So I'm going to make up the bed here. I put the pillows on just so that I can see the bed made up before I go to bed, but I'm going to be taking these pillows off, kicking back, getting in the bed, and relaxing and enjoying having a clean, neat room again. It has been a long time, too long, ridiculous. But I do thank you for coming along with me today on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. This is the type of content that I provide at least twice a week. I do cleaning, I do shopping hauls, I do home decor, and a few cooking blogs every now and then as well. So if that's the type of content that you like, please don't leave today without hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And if you are a returning family member, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you all over here on my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.